Hello guys, this video is about the setup of Ruby. So the first thing I would recommend you to do is to install the Guake terminal, because it will enable you to open the terminal on multiple tabs very easily by just pressing different key shortcuts. So the first thing we will do is just open the default terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt and T. And now install Guake terminal, which we do by sudo apt-get install Guake. And now you enter your sudo password. And since it's installed for me already, yours will look different. But now we can already close this. And now just go to over here and then search for your Guake terminal. But first we will go to Guake preference, and here I'll recommend you to change this to something different. By default it is F12. Since you're going to use F12 in VS Code extensively, you should change this to something different. I have it on the pause key, which on the German keyboard is the key which is up to the right. So now you can again search for Guake and pull it over to your favorites. And now you just have to start Guake terminal once, and now you can open and close it with your hotkey. So the next thing you'll have to do is install VS Code. You just go to VS Code website and download the package. Go to the folder. And now you'll just have to open with software install. Since I already have installed it, I won't do this. After you have installed VS Code, you can search for VS Code and add it to your favorites. Now in VS Code, go to this icon over here and search for the extension Ruby and install it. Next, go to your Guake terminal. Now we're going to install Ruby. So the first thing you should do is type sudo apt update. Now you should type sudo apt install ruby full. Now I'm not going to execute this since I already have Ruby installed. But now it's going to install your Ruby. And after you have installed it, which can take a bit of time, you can check which version you have by typing ruby --version.